Today, I'm going to give you all some tips so that you never miss a moment where you want to take an ideal photo or video ever again. The first tip I have for you is if you want quick access to your camera on your iPhone, all you have to do is tap on your screen and swipe left. Yes, it is that simple. I'm going to go through it again. So tap your screen and swipe left, and automatically you're going to be inside your iPhone's camera. Tip number 2. So let's say you're on photo mode in your camera and you want to quickly just switch on over, capture a video, and then go back to photo mode. Well, no longer do you have to switch between modes. All you have to do is press and hold the shutter button where you would take the photo, right? The button to take the photo, just press it and hold it down. And automatically, as you hold it down, it'll start capturing the video of that moment. And then as soon as you let go of it, that video will be saved on your phone and you'll still be in photo mode. So you can, switch quickly between photo and video mode. Tip number 3, let's say you are wanting to capture a moment and, either you have shaky hands or you're in a place where you're moving a lot, but you still want to stabilize that video so you don't get that, blurry, shaky cam footage. All you have to do is select this icon within the video mode, and all of a sudden you have activated stabilized cam mode, and therefore your video will be less shaky and you'll just have perfect videos to share with your friends and family. So you've taken the time to craft that beautiful photo or video, but you're still not too happy with it. You want to make slight tweaks to it. Well, thankfully, the iPhone has the edit option. So you're going to select whatever photo or video you want to edit, or you're going to select it in your photo album, and then you're going to select edit, go into edit, and that's where you can crop the image, you can rotate it, you can add a filter, you can adjust the lighting of the image. Honestly, the sky's the limit when it comes to how much you can customize your photo or video. So have fun. I hope those tips were very useful, and let me know if you have any questions whatsoever in the comments down below. I'm here to help, and have fun capturing those ideal moments from now on.